Hello everyone, today we are making garlic green beans. They are tender on the inside and coated in a really nice garlicky aroma on the outside, simple and flavorful. It's ready in about 20 minutes with just a few simple ingredients. Let's start with the green beans. Today I'm using French beans from Aldi. They are tender, flavorful, and very affordable, but any types of green beans works. After washing them well, line them up and trim off one end. Then turn them around and trim the other end. Once they are trimmed, pat them completely dry with paper towels. This step is very important because this helps prevent splattering and give better results when frying. While the beans are drying, let's finely chop some garlic, but not too small, otherwise the garlic can burn and turn bitter when cooking. Now it's time to flash fry the green beans. We're looking for an oil temperature of around 350 Fahrenheit, so we're getting close. Or you can test it with chopsticks. When you see lots of small bubbles forming around it, the oil is hot enough. Then add half the green beans and flash fry for about 1 minute. If your beans are a little bit bigger, just give them a few seconds more. When they turn a bright green, take them out and let them drain. Then we let the oil come back to around 350 Fahrenheit again, fry the second batch. Finally, let's bring everything together. Heat the pan and add some oil. Add the garlic, cook till fragrant and lightly golden, but don't let it burn. Then add the green beans back into the pan. Season lightly with salt, sugar, and a bit of chicken bouillon powder. Toss everything together and it's ready to serve. This garlic green beans is really simple and flavorful. I've shared another green beans recipe with pork before, using a dry fry method which uses less oil but takes a bit more time. Feel free to check it out. The link is in the description below, and I'll see you guys in the next one.